Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of our podcast, Not Mature Enough. I'm Karina,
I'm Sophia.
and today we have our very fun and bubbly and cute friend Ariana.
The one and only, the
one and
amazing.
only.
I am so honored. I can't explain how honored I am. It's my dream podcast.
And can I also say that she's completely laughed when she saw you do your intro and she saw me introduce myself.
Welcome back to another episode.
Oh, wow.
Also, guys,
I love
it's
it, I love
really
it, I
funny
love it.
because my entire social media journey actually started with Ariana.
A dream.
Yeah,
a
which
dream.
is maybe we can actually talk about how we all know
How
each
we
other.
know you.
Yes.
Like I know you for a long time.
Yeah.
How do you know each other? That's
I don't
crazy.
know.
We're cousins.
Oh my
Cousins.
gosh.
So we met, Ariana and I met a little over a year ago.
Yeah,
And it's crazy because I moved into this building and we're neighbors.
I know.
But I've never seen her.
What do you mean?
I had never seen her before. I
You moved in like a month before.
like 2 years. No.
When did you move in?
2
December
years.
24.
And we met Feb. I remember the exact date we met. Feb 5th,
Oh, you remember the date?
2025.
That's
Wait,
very
that is the
cute.
date.
That is the date. I remember
How
because
you know this?
so
because
touched.
Karina is only my favorite person ever.
That-
I don't know why I remember it,
That's
but I
crazy.
remember you said it, and then also that was in like a journey of my life. Like
Yeah.
Karina and I met, and I was like, this is so crazy.
Yeah, it was
I don't
crazy.
know. It was
I
crazy.
love it.
Yeah.
How cute is that?
One of
It
our
was
mutual
amazing.
friends introduced us.
When I met Karina, I was like, she is my dream woman.
Oh,
Like who I want to
nice.
be when I grow up.
but to be honest, I also sometimes tell you that you inspire me a lot.
We're
to-
literally in the
Aw.
same age group, and everyone keeps
That's
saying
crazy.
when I
No,
grow up.
You're like 35,
I'm 31.
and I'm 28.
I'm 31. Do
And
I
I'm
look
28.
35?
I don't
And
want to
I
say
was
how old you look.
29 and now I'm 30.
Please take that back.
I take it back. I take
You're
it back.
30.
Obviously, I'm joking.
35.
Wait, you're 30 and you're 31?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
No. But there's only 2 months of the year
Where
where we overlap and we're 1 year apart. Otherwise, we're 2 years apart. But she's
Okay.
in denial. She's in
Okay,
denial
okay.
about it.
I get it.
We're
Honestly,
twins.
I don't care because I'm really
It's fine.
happy right now.
And she's
Aw,
really,
I'm
she's,
really happy right now.
she's really young.
Yeah.
And
I'm
then-
hating this guy. You're just hating on my age.
You said you
I didn't
inspire us and all that
Yeah.
part you
I want to be
forgot.
when I grow up.
I love it. I love,
Okay.
but I also love your like life and all the stories you tell me. I'm like, she's so cool.
You
You have
just
a lot
did
more
little
sucking
suck
up. to do.
Oh, wow.
And how did I actually introduced you guys.
So my
Yeah.
sister introduced us. I'm a nutritionist, and then I became her nutritionist.
Yes. And what a crazy.
We've had fun
Honestly,
though.
we've had a really fun time. And also, I'll say this: like going to Sophia, best decision ever.
Yay! I love
Because-
how you say that.
Because really, I didn't know anything about nutrition. 'Cause
I will support that statement.
Yeah.
I will support
poor
that statement.
Sophia has to explain like
No, but I love it.
she has to
I love
explain
it.
like
Like
this
what?
is what a macro is. She was like,
But
the
that's
macros
fine.
and this, and I was like,
Sis,
so what
people
is
don't
that?
understand
No.
macros
I
and
know.
stuff.
I'm not
Yeah.
sitting. I'm not
and then she
sitting
was like recently, literally last week,
okay, last week
we had a convo and we were like, I was like, okay, yeah. She was like, how are you going out? Are you drinking? So I was like, yeah, I'm having like 2-3 drinks, so it's not like that bad. Because
Yeah.
you know, vodka.
And then she's like,
But
and
it's
I
like,
said,
what
what
kind of
kind
drink?
of drinks?
Yeah.
And she's like, cocktails. And I
Yeah.
was like, sweet cocktails? She's like, sweet cocktails. I'm like, then you're not on the diet. Then you're
She was
not
like,
on
you
the
can't
diet
do it.
plan you want to be on.
I know, and I was like,
Yeah.
what? What do you mean? And then I was like, then we went into a whole convo about
We did.
like alcohol and how it's kind of like sugar and
Yeah.
cocktails are
So,
sugar. And then I
yeah.
was like, but like, why is sugar bad?
She was like, what? She doesn't make you fat. You were like,
Is
alcohol-
butter a carb? Is
literally.
butter a carb?
No, you did say that. You said, is alcohol, I know alcohol is bad, but why?
Yeah.
And then I explained that a little bit to you, and you were like, but then sugar is not
Yeah.
that bad. Like, why is it bad though? Why
And
is
then
it
she
bad?
like went into this whole thing, and then I was like, so you're saying sugar makes you fat? And she was like, yeah, basically. And I was like, okay, then I won't have yeah. Like I
That's
didn't
a
care about
simplified
all the
version,
other things
yeah.
she said, like insulin spikes and like reduce
You're like,
this.
doesn't
And I
make
was
you
like,
fat.
Stresses
yeah.
your
And she
body
was like,
out.
it adds fat in your abdomen. And I was like,
Done.
I tapped out.
So
bro.
wait, have you switched to another drink?
I must
Yeah.
tell you. So
Oh.
then that weekend I went out and Sophia said, so I was like, what drink can I drink? Because I was like, Jägermeister. She was like, that's 6
No.
spoons of sugar.
Ew.
I was like,
No,
Kamikaze
Red
shots.
Bull. Red
Yeah.
Bulls.
You can do tequila.
She was like, can I have, instead of soda, a Red Bull? I was like,
Yeah.
no, shan't.
And she was
Shan't
like,
have
it's
a
6
Red Bull.
spoons of sugar. And I was like, what?
Yeah.
6 spoons of sugar is a bit intense. How are people just having it
Yeah, but that's why
willy-nilly?
they're like awake like rocking.
buzzing.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then she was like, have a vodka soda lime.
That
Report
was
back.
my college drink. It's
the
such a good
worst
drink.
drink ever.
It's
Oh,
a good
no.
drink.
I wanted to like throw up.
It's
I
a
was like,
diet drink.
it's disgusting.
Yeah.
Then I had Nimbu Pani vodka, which was better.
Nimbu
There's
pani.
sugar in
Like-
the nimbu pan.
Arey yaar.
Yeah,
Just
I was
mind
gonna
your
say,
business, bro.
mind my business.
It's okay.
What about tequila? That's a good drink.
No, but
Means
she wants
it's the
to
problem
add
is
it.
not the vodka or the tequila.
It's
The
the
problem
width.
is which I could do shots, but
Hmm.
then straight shots are just a bit concerning for me.
Yeah. Mind you, I
Yeah.
definitely am not a big advocate of alcohol either.
Sophia was like, you can have straight shots, that's okay. She said that. You said that. You said that.
I said that when you said, but I am gonna drink.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun in my life.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, you should.
Yeah, even actually, but that's so crazy. I'm so sorry. Literally, I met Karina like a few days before I met
Yeah.
you, and she gave me a whole lecture about how alcohol is bad.
Did
Yeah.
I?
Yeah, because you were like,
I
I'm off
don't-
alcohol. And I was like, oh, why? And she
But
was
you were like,
"It's like
hey, even
poison."
I want to do that.
No, I didn't say that.
No, you
I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
did. I was like, I've got alcohol. She's like, wow, Karina.
I was like,
even
wow,
I
you're
wanna-
such an inspo.
You were like, I want to do
Maybe
that.
when I'm 31 and I have no life, I'll do it.
Yeah.
But can I say that Ariana's in her going out era
I am,
at
I
the
am.
moment?
I am. That's why I'm like going out and drinking and meeting new people.
Yeah.
And we
Yeah.
had this whole amazing convo, which I fully stand by, and I think everyone should do it.
Hmm.
You know how people are like, oh, I don't need new friends. I don't need new
No, I
friends.
think
Like,
it's
I'm
so
really
important
good.
to meet people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think new friends are amazing.
Yeah.
I love new friends.
I'm
I love new
permanently
friends.
I love
meeting
new
people.
friends.
It doesn't mean that your old friends are bad.
Yeah.
No.
It just means that your new friends are just fun.
Yeah.
And you can
Yeah.
just be like new.
I think it's for a new phase of life.
yeah.
Honestly, if you're just in the same friend group, you're not growing or like learning or doing new
Yeah.
things together either.
No, I agree.
One new friend every like 6 months who really becomes a best friend.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
add so much to your life.
I
Yeah.
agree.
I love my old friends, of course. And to be honest, I'm not very
Old friends are like
big.
home.
Agree.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm not in a new friend phase.
Yeah.
Also because I'm doing wedding listing and I really don't want
Oh,
to add to
That's
the
so
list.
fair.
You know, I'm down to cut down.
Are you a +1 inviter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Everyone I'm inviting is going to be a bestie.
Sure.
You have to invite a person.
And to be honest, you want everyone who you've called to have the best time ever. And
Yeah.
everyone has the best time ever when they're
Yeah.
with their like +1
Oh,
where
yeah,
they feel like the
sweet.
most comfortable.
And you also
Sweet.
kind of have to, like, it's rude.
Yeah.
If someone
If
just
it's a
starts
random-
dating for like, if they've been dating someone for 3 months, your friend.
But depends on how good of a friend. If they're like a fringe friend and I'm not loving, I'll just pretend like I've never met that person. But
Yeah.
actually, if I've met that person, then yes, I'll invite
No,
them.
but it also depends if it's 3 months and the person's like, oh, like not bringing them to group hangs.
Then you're
no.
not bringing
But
them.
if they are and they like really like this person,
What if they just started dating someone
Yeah.
3 months before, but you haven't met them in the last 3 months?
but they are serious about the person.
like, they're like, yeah, I'm dating this person.
Then
like
if-
their boyfriend and girls.
If they're
No,
not
then
a
you
good
have to.
friend, if they're not a good friend, I'll just pretend like I've never met them.
No, she said they are a
So
good
you'll just
friend.
be like, hey, you're invited for my wedding. If they ask, you'll say, yeah, okay, bring
Yeah,
the person.
if
But
they
you're not
ask,
going out of your
It's
way to
like your
ask.
college friend, for example. If they're like seeing someone and you haven't seen the college friend in
Yeah.
3 months,
Hmm.
which you haven't, and they're like dating someone, you would.
I would. So with college friends, I'm slightly biased because I haven't seen all of them in like a year.
Yeah, fair.
And I really want them to come. So if they are going to make an India trip
yeah,
Yeah.
and they're going to come down, I'm
Yeah.
happy for them to come with someone. It gives them
Yeah.
off a reason
Yeah.
to come.
No, fair.
Then I'll invite.
Yeah.
I love that.
Random little.
Am I gonna get invited to your wedding?
Yes.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Just
What if
some
she
stuff.
said no?
Just some stuff.
Just some stuff.
Just some
Can
stuff.
I be invited for the Sangeet?
Yeah, I'm not
Ayana
having a
loves
Sangeet.
Sangeet.
That's the only thing
So
I
yeah,
care about.
Loves, yeah.
Don't invite me for the fairas. I'm not interested.
But yeah,
Don't invite me for the like reception.
ain't no reception, honey.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm doing.
What is your wedding?
I think it's a random. It's,
Oh.
it's a soiree.
gathering.
Everything's like a beach. It's a beachside brunch.
Oh, what? A
It's-
beachside?
A beachside.
Which beach?
Goa Beach.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Our wedding is.
It's not that confusing.
Bombay.
No.
So then I'm not invited.
You're not into some stuff.
I just love that you've asked me just like that.
You're inviting random +1s you've never met.
No. I
Oh, that's crazy. So I'm not invited to
No.
Sophia's wedding.
no.
I
You're
think-
invited to some stuff.
To
Where?
the Bombay stuff.
To
Oh,
Bombay.
to Bombay stuff.
Yeah.
Can I give you some context? My sister's also inviting like only her best
Like 5
best
friends.
friends.
5 couples.
Literally because
Oh, 5
because we're
couples.
having a
10
smaller
people.
wedding.
Yeah.
How many people at your wedding?
I don't know. This is not the episode for weddings. That's gonna be covered later.
Okay, wait. Let's talk about your going out phase.
Yes.
So for me,
It became an interrogation about my wedding, dude. No.
about going out.
Yeah.
So for me and my friends right now, we go out to like nice restaurants and go to like a cool bar. Everyone drinks, and it's
Yeah.
not like people love hosting at home right now.
Yeah.
What are the nice places to go out to?
You know what?
Like,
Yes.
what's hot right now?
I've only gone out like
Oh God.
I've only been like
God.
going out for like 3 times.
Like
So-
3 times already today, Ariana. So like, I haven't been going out.
I've been like
days.
going out.
She,
But I'm-
by the way, she
in
has
my
told my
last month-
sister that she's in her going out phase. She told me, and
I
we had
know,
a
I
whole
did.
gossip session. She came out and said it, and now she's gone out 3
But
times.
hey, yeah, you go for one run, you're a runner.
I
Yeah.
agree, fine.
You know what I mean?
I give it to you.
I went out 2 weeks in a row. I was like, I'm
Where
in my
did you
going
go?
out phase.
What's hot right
So, okay, I don't know if these places are.
now? Okay.
I went to Woodside Inn in Bandra.
Hot as hell, man.
It's
Yeah.
where all the kids are like, I only
Talk
saw
about
like
this, bro.
a sea of 25-year-olds.
Yeah.
It was crazy.
Nothing sounds worse.
No, it was bad.
That's
and we were
right.
like I could feel like people sweating.
Woodside
in the
Woodside gets
monsoon,
busy.
you're all like sheltered in.
No, but Woodside's like a
But-
solid place to go.
It was nice. The music was amazing.
Yeah.
Like banger after banger. They were just
Oldies.
playing.
Fine.
Yeah, they were
All
just playing
oldies.
like Taylor Swift, and they were playing
Ah.
like Somebody Call 911. You know,
Chunky.
it was like
I
that.
just love that you're in your going out phase. And my sister said, "What's hot?" And you said Woodside Inn,
And I
which
was
is
like,
yeah.
which is
No,
like
no, so
where all our
concerning.
parents were also going.
Yeah.
I don't know.
okay,
maybe.
where
I don't
else
know.
did you go in the other 2 times?
Then I went for Willingdon Karaoke,
Classic.
which
It's
is
nice, but that's literally like where adults are.
and before honestly, when I was in my actual going out phase for like a year, 2 years ago, like we would go every weekend, and I promise you, it was like every
really
weekend we'd go to Bombay Gym Bar night.
Ayana, I want to cry.
I was literally
I
talking about
was
this
expecting
yesterday.
you to tell me all the new like cool restaurants.
No,
and
I
bars.
don't
The
know.
whole
I'm
time
so
she's
sorry.
acted like she's
I
like
feel-
young, wild, and free.
I fear I spoke too soon.
Yeah,
No.
she was too confident. Also, I don't know why my sister's asking, because my sister will go to 5 restaurants on repeat.
Yeah.
Does she like trying new
Wait.
places?
The craziest thing I
Yeah.
found out, Karina had never
What?
been to Bougie Cafe.
I just went.
I know.
Yeah.
It's
I loved it.
She
concerning.
just went to Bougie.
I
That is
loved
so
it.
concerning, but it's
I've
so
been to
your
the
vibe.
Bandra one.
Oh, you have?
Not the South Bombay one.
Oh.
I've been
Yeah.
You
there,
were like,
guys.
I've been
She's
to
been
Bougie
once.
for the first
I
time.
went to the Bandra one once, and I really sat on other people's food,
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
was
yeah.
damn annoyed about it. So then I
Yeah.
didn't go back.
Yeah.
That's true.
But the fourth one was
So
so
good.
nice.
I love it.
It's like the
I
main
love it.
Bougie.
And the
now.
food.
Yeah.
Should we go?
Yeah, we
Let's
should.
go.
We must.
Yeah, we should
What
go.
should we have at Bougie?
I loved it.
I'll give you a
Sophia
little
will
menu.
give us the worst
I
things to
really
eat at
loved it.
Bougie. I never
You
did
know,
tell us
I
to
love
eat the
the veggie
halloumi
chicken
salad
wrap.
and all.
That was so healthy and good.
Oh, I like the lamb wrap. There's a lamb wrap that's
I
it
don't
says
eat
high
lamb at
protein
random
on
places,
Swiggy.
yeah.
And she's too bougie.
Yeah, my sister goes on to
Only
5
for
restaurants.
bougie
yeah.
cafe.
Bougie for bougie.
Okay, so I loved it. By the way, and I can't believe
Yeah.
I had never been. It's beautiful.
It's stunning.
and
love
the food was
Bougie.
sick.
You had a hash brown, I saw.
I tried
love
it.
their hash
I
browns.
love their hash brown.
Yeah.
It was like very unhealthy, but I loved
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Now,
unhealthy
Sophia,
looking at
around
me.
Sophia,
Yeah,
I
we
just can't
say
say
that.
anything.
What the hell?
Because then she'll just judge me.
No.
I never.
No.
Also,
Okay.
can I just say once
Stop.
once Ariana, we had a consult, and then there was like a little gap, and we had another one. And for some reason, she thought I was really disappointed in
Oh,
her.
yeah.
What?
And we had a whole
I
conversation.
told you about it actually.
Wait, you did?
She was like, you know, I know you're disappointed in me.
No, it's like,
because I was like, are you crazy?
no,
Why do you
because,
think that?
oh, that's a crazy story. Basically, I suffer from people pleasing. I need like words of encouragement. I think that's
Yeah,
my
You're
like,
so
you know,
sweet. Or...
yeah, like you're
You're
doing
so
so well.
lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's my
I think-
words of affirmation is what I need.
Okay.
I think that's my truest love language.
How
So
sweet.
basically,
What
all
what
the
I took
happened
guys-
from that, what I took from that is I needed to give more
Yeah.
words of it, more words of love.
yes,
Yeah.
So
Wait, so you
basically-
weren't saying that?
No,
or
so
what happened?
whenever I met Sophia, like we had an amazing time. Like truly, it was good. I was
Yeah.
losing weight also. Like we were on track.
Yeah.
But basically, every time I would go to her, she'd be like, okay, so you need more protein. Okay, so you need like more this. You need to do less
Now
of
we'll
this.
change your diet and
Yeah.
do this.
Yeah, and so I was like, okay, so I'm like not doing things right because we're constantly like changing.
But you're
or she's
meant to
like, we need to
change.
do more.
Yeah.
And so I was like, okay. And then I came to meet you and you were like, wow, you're looking so good. Sophia told me you're doing so well. And I was like, She did.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
She spoke about me like that.
Yeah.
And I was like, because I got it in my head that you hated everything I was doing. Because, you
Oh
know,
my
Sophia would be
God.
like, oh, you need to eat like less carbs. And I would still eat some carbs, right?
Yeah.
No,
And
but
so
you
then-
should eat some carbs.
I know.
Yeah.
But
No,
she's
no, we
just in
love
panic
carbs.
mode.
Yeah, please.
No, we would eat. And then she'd just be like, oh, no, Ariana, like, try to avoid that.
Try to avoid
like,
this.
that's
Don't
not
eat out like
good.
6 days a week.
Yeah.
That
She
was a
would
big.
say.
That's
And then
a big
I'd be like,
conversation.
yeah, she hates me. Like, I suck at this. Like, I'm a failure at losing weight.
Oh
but
my
I was like, it's
God.
still happening. So, like,
And you were doing
something's
so well.
working.
You were
I
doing
know.
so well.
I was doing well.
Ariana's like, I'm doing so.
And then
was.
later, I confronted her about it. Like,
Yeah.
I just told her, like, you know.
I feel like you're disappointed
yeah,
in me.
I'm so sorry.
Oh.
And I was like, what the hell is wrong with
And
you?
then she was like, no, you're doing good. Like,
Yeah,
you're
she-
actually doing
Because she
really
even told
good.
me
Yeah.
you were killing it. That's why. I
She
told
was like,
you.
you're actually doing way better than most of my clients. So, like,
Okay, wait. I'm coming across like the worst.
No.
I'm just doing musty. Like,
Yeah.
she was like, no, you're doing good.
She's doing total musty.
And like,
Musty.
no stress. She was like, no stress. She was just like, you are honestly 70% there.
yeah.
So I'm just telling you, like, that 30% how we can like improve it every
Yeah.
time.
Thank you.
And I was like, oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I am losing the weight.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
And get
because
And
that
she was
was
like,
your goal.
exactly. And yeah, that was my goal.
Can
and
we
did
talk
lose a lot
about
of
something,
weight.
please?
Yeah.
Tell me
Oh.
about Hyrox. What is happening?
I'm single. I don't have much to do.
I'm
Honestly-
really into that, guys.
Honestly,
I love that for you.
that is the fairest
That's
response.
a sick response.
Honestly,
What
when
a
you're not in a
healthy way to-
relationship, you have like lots more time.
Oh wow!
I
What
really
a
don't know
good
how to explain it
perspective.
in a better way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my dear friend Sakshi, who you also know, and
Yeah.
I'm sure everyone watching also knows, Ariana, I'm gonna do this with you.
I
Yeah.
just
And
love
I was like,
that you
she
guys
is
are doing
so-
it together.
This is so nice. And then we went for our first like Hyrox simulation.
But tell
okay?
me the simulation, because the last time I checked, and
Yeah.
every time we've spoken,
Yeah.
you had made a reel on how everyone is doing Hyrox.
I know,
And,
and I was, like,
what the
such a
hell is wrong
hater.
with people, and like you were fretting on
I
the
know.
streets kind of thing.
But then
and now?
I got single. I swear.
Okay, how was the first simulation?
always
and for
wanted to do it.
someone who's never tried it,
Okay.
I really want to know if it's something, because I've
Yeah.
always seen it as an extreme sport,
Yeah.
and it's very different to how I actually
It
work
is-
out.
No, it is.
It is
It's-
endurance. Like it's a full
Yeah.
endurance.
It is. It's an endurance thing. I
Push.
wouldn't say it's like a fitness test. It's an
Okay.
endurance test.
Okay.
And so basically, I decided to do it because I was working out and I was like, maybe this could be a fun challenge to work
try.
towards.
Yeah.
Sakshi said she'll do it with me. So I was like,
It's
okay,
fun.
let's do it.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
we had this discussion like a year ago and we were like, let's do it, like whatever, let's see. And I think we were both like half joking, half
Yeah.
serious.
Yeah.
The tickets came out. I was in this different phase of my life and I was like, I want to do it. And she was like, I'll do it with you. Like, I'm here.
That's
Oh,
insane.
sick. And she
And
actually followed through, and she was
And
like,
she followed
in.
through and then we signed up.
That's
and
great.
to sign up for Hyrox is the nightmare of nightmares.
Wait, why?
It's like trying to get Taylor Swift tickets.
Yes.
Oh,
but
it's
like-
hard to get
And
into
it's like a
Hyrox?
frenzy. It got sold out, so they like open more
Yeah.
slots and they
Wait,
open
guys,
more
why
days.
is everything these days so hard to
I
get into?
Truly have no
Surely
idea.
Hyrox shouldn't be so hard.
And you have to pay
No.
for it.
Yeah.
What?
It
I thought
like-
it's a free experience.
No, you have to pay
and
like-
it's expensive.
Like
How much is it?
7,500
To
per
participate.
per person.
Per person.
Just to like kill yourself, you
Yeah,
have to
that's
do that.
great.
It's
And
paid
that's like
punishment.
really- yeah.
I was
That's
really
so
shocked.
expensive.
So expensive.
Yeah.
And
Because
I
a
was like,
marathon is free, right?
no, you have to
No.
pay for a marathon also, and it's like 8K.
Yeah.
Oh,
I just love my sister.
And you know what? They
Where's
don't
she
let,
living?
I don't know. I thought everyone's just roaming in the streets.
they don't
and
let
just like,
anyone
so-
participate in a marathon. Like, you
Oh.
can't just sign up for the Mumbai Marathon. You have to prove
What?
that you can run a
Run.
marathon.
You have to be a serious participant.
Yeah.
I really didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay, so how has your Hyrox training been, and is it something that, like, for example, I work out a lot, you know
Yeah.
that, but is it a huge commitment, or can it just be like a fun thing?
I think it can be a fun thing. So
Okay.
we're doing the race to like have fun and
Yeah.
just to finish it.
Yeah.
So it's not like, oh, to podium finish.
Yeah.
Although now that I have been working
The
out,
podium finish.
not to podium finish. I said not to podium finish. But I was like, but in my mind, now that I have been working out
Now
for
you
like
care.
3 weeks, I'm like, I feel like 1 hour 30 minutes
Yeah, we
is
had
like
this
so
conversation.
doable.
So when you say 1 hour 30 minutes, is
Yeah.
that like the best time you can finish in, or what is
So-
it? I actually am blind.
A super Hyrox pro athlete who
Hmm.
wants to like ace the competition would get it like sub 110.
Oh,
Okay.
and that's like doing it with a partner.
Group.
I think
usually group, but also I think
Doubles.
some
Doubles.
Yeah.
But I'm sure
Oh,
you
you
can
can
do
do
it
it in a
alone
group?
also. Yeah.
I
You
would
can
do it in a group.
relay with
yeah,
4
you
people.
can do 4 people, but no one really takes that
Yeah,
as
that's lame.
Seriously.
as serious.
Oh,
I'm
I
so
was
sorry,
like-
that's lame.
I was like, I could do that.
No, doubles is I think the most common like
Yeah.
starter.
Yeah.
Solo
to this.
seems shocking.
It's quite hard. I
Yeah.
can't imagine doing it solo.
Yeah.
The setup of it is you run a kilometer, you
Yeah.
do an exercise, and that goes on for
8
8 times. Yeah. And
I've
the
seen it
exercises,
like that thing
yeah, like
and
the
like all
ski
that.
and then the
Skis,
Yeah.
Red
rope.
Bulls,
Yeah.
Red
Yeah.
Bush.
I'm excited.
I'm down to do it with you like after your wedding.
Yeah.
This time do it
I'm
together.
super down.
Should we do it after?
Genuinely, I'm super down.
Yeah.
I've been like thinking
Yeah.
about
Yes.
Then we can compete
Oh my gosh.
because I'm super competitive.
Oh my god.
it, and you're going to be a pro
Try and beat my
athlete
time.
at that point.
Try and beat my time. sweetie.
I will.
But Ariana's a full runner girl now. How do
I
you feel
am.
about
So
that?
that's crazy.
Can I tell you, like running
crazy.
genuinely was so daunting to me. Like
Yeah,
It's daunting
but
to
it
me
is
as well.
intimidating. It
I
is
think
intimidating
for the last-
to get into it.
so I've been working out. Like
Yeah.
I've been strength training for the last 3
Forever.
years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was like, that's not the hectic part. I've done high rock simulations before. So I knew it wasn't impossible. If you
Yeah.
train towards it, you'll get that.
Yeah.
But actually, high rocks is a running race.
Yeah.
Like that's actually what it is.
Yeah. Because everything has like a running sprint.
Exactly.
It's running and then it's doing strength on tired legs.
Yeah.
That's the entire like that's how you start, and that's where you're
That's-
supposed to manage.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
So then running, for me, I was a month ago,
Hmm.
I could not run 500 meters.
Yeah.
Like I was like exhausted after
Yeah.
running it.
Yeah.
And obviously I wasn't running it like correctly.
Yeah.
But now
Yeah,
I'm
you're doing
running
so
like
well.
5Ks. The other day I ran an 8K.
That's sick.
Zone
You did
2,
8K?
Yeah, but like zone 2, which is
That's
way
fine.
worse, first of
Yeah.
all. Zone 2,
And this
do you
is
know
like
what a zone 2 thing?
in-
I didn't even know what it
No,
was.
I know it only because of you. Because you keep saying like sometimes when you do cycle, then you can get into zone 4.
No,
Yeah.
no, no,
Something.
no. Zone 4 is more like VO2
Once a
max.
week. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But getting into zone 2s that's like the sweet spot when you're trying to train also, and then it's also a great spot when you're trying to like fat burn. But it helps with building up your endurance when you're in
Exactly.
zone 2.
So you're running at the gym or
I
on the
run,
street?
yeah, I run on the treadmill.
But that's great to practice and learn.
It is,
right?
it is.
To
It's
pace
good.
yourself
Yeah.
and like
No, it's damn good. I'm
Yeah.
loving it.
Yeah.
But basically, I'm so proud of myself. Every time I'm running, I'm hating every second.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And like I started on 200 meters in and I'm like, I want this to end. Like, why isn't
Why?
it ending?
Yeah.
Like, I want to cry.
like
like
half
you
an
just
hour
really
left.
distract yourself.
Yeah.
It's a
with
really
music.
bad scene.
You just listen to music.
I just
and you-
watch podcasts actually. I
Okay.
watch like gossip things. Like,
Okay.
oh, Harry and Meghan Markle.
Yeah.
Ooh,
I
that's
I
our
love
kind
that.
of podcast.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
I like love
Love.
it. And
Yeah.
like celeb gossip is what I
Yeah.
watch. And then I'll just be like enjoying that.
Love
And-
it.
But I am still like, I want to go home. Like, I just don't want to do
Wait,
this.
wait.
But
Yeah.
post my run,
Then you're like, I'm
like
can
the-
do it every day.
I'm the
Give
best
the
person
runners
ever.
high.
Yeah.
I'm like
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
I'm so proud of myself. And also because this is something I literally could not do.
Yeah.
And now I can do.
That's sick.
It's crazy.
So
I can
running
do
is a
anything.
prerequisite. Like you decided to run to do high rocks.
Yeah.
Or both together.
No, I decided to start
Because
running
of
because
high
I
rocks.
have
You
to
need
do
to.
high rocks.
Yeah.
Super interesting. I'll be down to do it.
I
next
think you
year.
must.
It's in May, right?
So it's in September in Bombay. So I think
This
it'll
year.
be next September in Bombay again.
Yeah,
But
I
I'm
think
sure
they're giving
they'll
a 1-year gap. But then there's
Yeah.
like Delhi, there's
Yeah, you can
do
that.
Bangalore. But
If
I'm
you
not
want.
sure what the
Close. I'm
calendar
so
is.
excited to hear.
Because it's so fun. I'm training 5 times a week.
Yeah.
2 strength days, 2 running days, and 1 high rock sim day.
Simulation.
Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
it.
Yeah,
That's
we'll
so
do
fun.
it.
I'm on it.
Yeah. You've done a simulation, right?
I've done a simulation, but that's nothing like training for one.
Sure.
Because
Yeah.
it's a big time commitment and you have to like be
I don't
with
know
your
how
running.
people with jobs do it.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
say that.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
it's a little crazy.
You have to be really disciplined. Like the people who have like a full, like intense work schedule,
Yeah.
like they're waking up at like 5 a.m. to get
Yeah.
their runs complete, to get their
Because
Oh.
some
training
runs, this
complete.
8K run I did at zone 2 pace took me an hour 40 minutes.
Okay.
And then like
At
before
what
that,
speed?
like 12 minutes a kilometer.
I don't
Because
think
I'm
I
like
could do
super
that.
beginner. It's slower than
I
my
actually
walking
don't
pace.
think-
Because it's zone 2 is you can't get your heart rate above 150.
Yeah, that's very hard.
To do that, I'm
For
literally
1
like,
hour, 40 minutes?
I'm like that. And I was just going
It's
for 1 hour
endurance.
40 minutes.
Yeah.
It's literally like it's
Like super slow,
Yeah.
like 12 minutes a kilometer. You
Yeah.
can walk it in 10.
that's
Yeah.
I
crazy.
swear.
I don't know how I'll do it with work. We'll figure.
Well,
yeah.
we'll figure.
How you'll do it is crazy, but
Yeah.
you'll do it.
Yeah.
Like you will figure it out.
okay.
But I just couldn't do it if I had a job. And I
Yeah.
genuinely, anyone who has a job and is doing high rocks, I'm
Yeah.
like, you're already better than everyone else.
Oh wow.
I just love these
Because
compliments that
I'm
you give
actually
people.
like, because I'm like fun employed. Like I'm just
Oh,
making
you're so
my own
busy
time.
also,
Yeah,
bro.
but like I'm making my
Like your
own
own
time. I'm
schedule.
like,
Yeah.
yeah. And
No,
I'm
but you don't
running
give
at
it-
like 12 in the afternoon. Like it's chilling. For someone who has like a
Has to wake up
job
at 5
and
and
a
do it.
boss and like
intense
someone's like,
situation.
where is this deck? And
Yeah.
then they're
It's
like,
Yeah.
yeah. No, it's tough.
I could not.
Yeah.
I could not.
Okay, so coming back to Ariana talking about how she listens to gossip podcasts
Yes.
while running,
I'm so
let's
excited.
talk about some gossip.
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Oh my gosh.
Who wants to go first?
I think I'll go first because mine's the most random.
Okay.
I would say.
What?
Do you know Karina's like high school classmate, Toby
Oh, yeah.
Maguire?
How can you
I
say
They're the
that?
same
don't even
age.
know who that is.
You
You don't know Toby Maguire?
No.
He's like Spider-Man.
The
Oh,
original-
OG Spider-Man.
I love him.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
He's your age.
You're,
He's like 50.
this is what it's called, exercise.
You know, honestly.
Self-control with children.
So you agree? We're not in the same age group.
Okay, you take it, sweetie.
Do you know who Ice Spice is?
And
Oh,
I
you
really
do?
don't like her music.
I just know
'Cause
that,
you're old.
I just know that she has.
I'm really hating this joke, guys.
Yeah.
I'm so
think
sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, end of the joke.
because she's in her going out phase.
So
she
Toby Maguire and Ice Spice
That's the most random couple I've ever heard.
literally apparently
That's
caught
fake.
kissing.
It's a PR thing.
What do you mean?
He's probably in her music video.
Oh.
Like,
No.
it's literally.
So this was
Toby
at a party.
Maguire.
Why not? It'll be like a cool.
They're
Like,
wearing white outfits, so this must be the white party.
oh,
Oh,
Michael
why do I
Rubin's
know-
white
yeah.
party.
I don't know who's Michael Rubin.
He started a company that now makes all the merch for like NBA, NFL,
It's
NHL.
like the coolest party in
And
Hollywood every year.
There used to be a
Apparently,
white
like, the
party
coolest party.
at like Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
No, but that's
Yeah.
not, that's like
Th-
their
that was
own
a
white
simulated
party.
white.
Yeah.
white
Oh,
party.
okay.
It's called Michael Rubin's White Party. It's like a 4th of July.
And like everyone
Oh,
comes.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
so cool.
It's a cool-
Leonardo DiCaprio, whose
Oh,
like
vibe.
thing is like
For all of
age
them.
gap.
Leonardo DiCaprio doesn't date people
Over
who cross
the-
26.
But now, his girlfriend is like older.
Oh, and
Yeah, I
she
think
turned
she's like-
27 and everyone
Yeah.
was like,
Like, shocked about it.
celebrating it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I find all that a bit gross, to be
Yeah.
honest.
I agree.
It's very
You
odd.
know? Like, to be honest, when people ask me questions like, is this actor attractive? But he's closer to like my dad's age.
It's
Yeah.
weird.
For me, I just think like, no.
yeah, I agree.
Because it's weird.
It is weird. They're like old.
Yeah.
Like Brad Pitt, never found him attractive.
When he was younger.
When
yeah.
he was younger,
Sure.
he was cute. But
But
like,
I didn't know him when he was young. What do
she's
you
21.
mean?
She's 21.
Okay.
Means I didn't know him.
Like in
Just
like the
21.
early Oceans and stuff.
I haven't watched that. I watched the
You
All
haven't
Women
wa-
Oceans 8.
That Ocean's 8 is fun.
Yeah.
That's
It's a
really
fun
a
thing.
Gen
You-
Z thing to
Wait,
not
you
watch
haven't watched any of the Oceans?
I did watch Catch Me If You Can, which
Okay.
was really fun.
That's just so not the same thing.
To be honest, I haven't watched Catch Me If You Can.
Oh, it's really fun. Like that was actually a movie. I was
Who
like,
was in
oh,
it?
what's gonna happen
Leonardo
next?
DiCaprio.
Yeah, and
That's
it's like how
not
he's like scamming people.
Yeah.
It's a
Have you
good
ever watched
movie.
the
It's a
best
good
movie ever?
Which one?
It's so good. It's called Fantastic Mr. Ripley.
Yeah,
No.
I did.
It's the
Ages
fucking best
ago.
movie
It's a very
of
good
all
movie.
time. I watched
It's
it
like-
so
it-
randomly with my parents on
But
Dramedy Now.
Yeah,
or
it's a
something.
bit.
I love Dramedy Now. I love
I know, it was
Dramedy Now
not a
movies.
Dramedy Now movie at all.
Because I'm always feeling
Maybe it was
like
another
a
one.
Yeah,
rom-com.
it's twisted and
Maybe
like
it was Star
yeah.
Movies or something. But
Yeah,
that
it's a good
movie
movie.
changed my life. You
I
have to
love
watch it.
I actually,
Gwyneth's in it.
it'll be on my list.
You know what movie
Jude
freaked
Law.
me out? Have you all watched it? American Psycho.
Never watched it.
Never watched it.
But I've heard
I
of
know,
it.
I know, but like,
Classic, I've heard.
but
Are
I
you
feel like
hearing
some, we
this?
would like really anger some people because these are like classics which we're all supposed to watch.
yeah,
and,
but like
just
who
know.
cares?
It's like
Yeah.
incredible, but it's like part of like cinema.
It's a part of
Sure.
like culture.
Psycho.
Have you guys watched my YouTube channel? That's like a part of like internet culture.
I recently watched the video
Really?
and I subscribed to your channel. I subscribed to your channel
Stop! She's
like
too
4
kind.
days ago.
She is too kind.
Yeah.
I thought we had subscribed ages ago.
I'm sorry.
That's crazy. Karina is featured in my vlogs.
I love it.
One of them. Like
I
a little
love it.
clip
Yeah, she
of
was
us
there. She was
hanging.
there.
my
Yes.
God.
That was your gossip?
Yeah, that they kissed.
I did not love
I'm
that.
so
gossip.
sorry. I wanted Karina's gossip just to be fair.
Anyway.
So let's talk about Ariana Grande and Ricky Alvarez.
I'm
my
into
God,
This. I'm
yes.
so into this.
Okay, for context, Ricky was her backup dancer years ago, and then she kind of made a song with his name where she wrote all her exes,
Yeah.
thank you next,
Yeah,
and she like laughed about him in
I
the
know.
song
Yeah.
because he was a rebound and it was really
No,
random.
and he was the one that she licked that donut with in the song.
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
He was the one.
Iconic law.
Yeah,
iconic
that's
law.
Oh my god,
crazy.
yes, where she
That
put she
shocked
licked it and
me.
put it back, right?
What's the line in Thank You Next for Ricky?
Now
now I listen.
and
I
laugh.
wrote some songs about Ricky, and now I listen and laugh.
Yeah.
For an
Us in
ex.
our Indian accents now, I listen
And
and
laugh.
laugh.
But to be honest, as an ex, if like everyone is getting a nice word and then you get, now I listen to songs about you and I
Yeah.
laugh. That's like the
No,
worst.
no, it's not like Big
Yeah.
Sean's was like, oh, he wasn't a match. You know, like it was
No,
all neg.
what was Big Sean's? Let's
I wrote
sing
some
it.
songs. I wrote some songs about Sean,
No.
but he wasn't a match. What is my
Really?
tone?
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, okay, so coming back, they were spotted together
Yeah.
and now she's on a tour and she keeps changing his line.
Yeah.
So like she did in Austin, she was like, I wrote some songs about Ricky.
We
And
always
they
find our
still
way back.
Smash. Yeah.
They still
slap.
really slap. We still smash.
The song is a smash.
Yeah.
The song is. Then she said, I wrote some songs about him and he still got my back. And then she wrote, we always find our way back.
I watched that one. I could see that.
I could see it also, but I feel like she is really a dater.
She's never been single.
She's never been single and it
Ever.
shows.
Yeah.
And that's all I'll
I
say.
don't know. I just feel like with everything that's going on with her too and like the comments that are coming in, everyone's really concerned about her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I love her. I think
I love
actually
her.
she's
Even-
probably the voice of our generation.
I
Oh my
agree.
God.
Like,
I think
there's no
she's
better
unmatched.
vocalist.
I think her voice
No
is
better. Yeah.
unmatched. Her
Unreal.
songs are
Yeah.
unmatched. I think
She's the best.
she's
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
also, she just posted something. I'm not a crazy stalker or something,
I
but
am,
I don't
I
know
know.
how she's just come up on my page. She posted a video of her doing all the Harry Potter accents.
I
Yeah,
saw that.
I
and
saw
she
that.
is like
Unreal.
unreal.
She is.
Yeah.
It's like
Unreal.
a talent
Yeah.
of talents.
Yeah. But she's a
So
triple
many
threat.
people have
That's
done
what
that.
they say. She can do anything.
Yeah, she does
I
everything.
used to love her and Pete together.
I
And
loved
wish
her
that
and Pete
worked
together,
out.
and she wrote the best song about Pete Davidson. It's
Which
like
one?
a 30-second song.
Oh,
And
that's-
it's called
I don't-
Pete.
I don't like
And it's
that
called
song
like-
at all.
Oh, I love it.
It's
And I
a
think
bad-
that album,
Yeah.
Sweetener,
Good album.
best fucking album.
No, that's
ever.
not my best.
No, I love that album. I love all her
I'm not
albums.
an album person. I know songs.
I know
Oh,
all her albums.
Well,
'cause
even
love
I know her, and I love her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really love her, and I really think she's really been through it.
Oh my god.
What?
Ariana and Ariana. They have
What?
the same name.
Are you
That's why
joking?
you feel like you really relate
Oh
to
yeah,
her.
maybe that's why.
Yeah,
I
that's
was like,
why
did you just figure that out?
I did. I didn't even
I
think,
think-
of it.
I think Ariana's pissed about who
Everyone says
Ariana's
that-
dating because she thinks she's dating.
Yes,
another person.
that's what it is.
She's deciding for all the Ariana.
You're
Oh my
personally
gosh.
invested.
I'm so happy to be her though.
yeah,
So I
yeah.
get to see her bank account details. I'll be sad.
Absolutely. That's the fun part.
Okay, I want to talk about something, and I have many points as well, which
Yeah.
I didn't know. So I think it'll be interesting
Let's
to
deep
discuss.
it.
dive.
But I want to talk about Taylor Swift's wife.
Let's
You
spend
know
an hour
what?
on
Nobody
this one.
cares
I don't
about this
No,
other than
I
me.
care.
I have no one. Why didn't we discuss
I don't
this?
know. One second.
Okay,
How do you
yeah.
have an hour to discuss it? There was literally no information.
Well, I have a whole list of
all I
details.
saw-
saw,
some
all I
info.
saw was like a little like hut that was made to hide the cars which were
Like
coming
the
in and
tents.
guests. That's,
Yeah,
that's all
yeah.
I
No,
know.
I have information.
Just TNT.
yeah.
Just
just-
TNT.
Just TNT
Just
married.
married.
Yeah.
Cute, cute.
I, by the way, have been going on Reddit every day to find out more information on
That's
this
really
wedding.
random.
Because nobody wants to discuss it with me. There's no information
my
online,
God.
and Reddit has absolutely nothing. So I don't know where we've gotten these deets from. So number one, some of this is very random info. which
Okay,
no one-
say.
Pat McPhee almost missed the wedding because he thought the invitation was a phishing scam.
Who's
Tra-
Pat McPhee?
I have no
Even I don't
idea.
know. And Travis had to message him and ask why he didn't RSVP.
Oh,
I love
That's
that.
funny.
That's
That's
cute.
funny.
That's funny. Yeah.
That's cute. That's also just
Invitations-
called being like the host,
Yeah.
messaging
Yeah.
your guests.
Invitations
Yeah.
reportedly fooled multiple guests. Music producer Jack Knife Lee also deleted his invite because he thought it was spam.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
heard about that. I
Oh,
would
wait,
like
she
kill
didn't
my
go?
husband.
They didn't
No,
go?
because he deleted it.
Yeah, that's such
Means
a
I would like-
I would be.
There's like really strong
I
words
don't
I
think
have.
I'd recover from
Yeah.
that.
No.
Like,
So-
if
but
I did
Taylor
that, I
didn't
would
message
cry.
him
Yeah, I was
saying,
just saying.
Why
Yeah.
didn't you RSVP?
But, like,
Must
I
have
think-
been
you know
a
what?
priority guest.
I feel like because she's so like with the people,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
in some ways, that she was like, I don't want to spend too much on invites. I'm just gonna do like a little send out, which would be a random
Did you
like
guys
web
see
Means
the
there wasn't a
invite?
WhatsApp
No,
broadcast
no,
that
did
she
you see
sent
the
them.
photo?
Personalized
Yeah,
one.
Yeah.
So if it leaks, you know who
That was
leaked
kind
it.
of crazy.
Oh,
She's
really?
crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wild.
I
She
saw it
spent,
on
huh? She
Twitter
spent.
'cause I'm
Maybe she didn't
weird.
she didn't ask for the RSVP because she was like, there's already a lot of people coming from my side.
Because I feel like sometimes, even for like Indian weddings, I feel like Taylor Swift's wedding would have a little more thought and budget than like a standard Indian wedding.
But it was for
sometimes
1,000
give
people.
like
Yeah.
like gifts send something to everyone's address.
Yeah.
Has like a wedding planner who follows up
Yeah,
aggressively.
that's
I'm
so
sure there was a
true.
wedding planner.
but like follow up aggressively, like
Yeah, I
Yeah,
guess they
that's
didn't
true.
follow up aggressively.
Or is it different in America?
I don't know, but I feel like Taylor Swift is like a universal standard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
But
True.
like 1,000 people over there, like they made it out to be like, oh my god, this is crazy.
But,
But I
here
feel
it's
like a regular wedding is like
Yeah.
1,000 people.
The
That's
Sangeet.
so
Not
funny.
Sophia's wedding.
Not my wedding.
Otherwise, I would have been invited.
Oh my god, how can you say that?
Okay,
I'm gonna cry.
Taylor and Travis reportedly transformed Madison Square Garden into a giant secret garden with many flowers. You could barely recognize the venue.
Oh
True.
wow, stunning.
Yeah, I
We
heard.
saw some AI glimpses, I
Oh
guess.
really?
Yeah.
I
I don't
didn't
even
see,
know
I
if
didn't
it's
see
real.
one thing.
I heard that in the walkway to the venue,
Yeah.
they'd like set it all up with like peach curtains
Yeah.
and like there was peach fabric all over with blown up pics of them.
Oh,
But
As
that
like
was an
going
real.
up.
AI photo.
Oh.
And one guy said it.
Yeah, you know
That's
who
not-
said it?
yeah,
The
yeah.
like head of AMC or Disney or something.
Oh wow, look at
Head
you
of
guys.
AMC.
You guys.
I really care about this.
No, even I care about it. I was like there, bro. I was there.
Yeah, you guys
I
were
wish
both
I
there.
was there.
Y'all were there.
They skipped the traditional wedding cake and guests got 30 different desserts. That's cool.
Yeah.
Each guest got 30
No, like
desserts.
a
Means
spread.
there was
Okay.
it's a buffet. There was a big thing about it being a buffet. Like, they
30?
were like, oh my god, it's a buffet and
But
not
that's
like
normal.
a
30
plated
desserts?
thing.
That's an Indian
But in
wedding.
Yeah.
American,
It's
it's
Indian.
literally an Indian wedding.
Yeah, Taylor Swift had an Indian wedding.
Yeah.
Okay,
And like
reception.
a cash Indian wedding.
Yeah, where they're not even
Me,
Oh, yeah,
up
you're
with
telling me
dress.
you've not been for a wedding to NSCI Dome. It's
I love the
MSG.
comparison. Actually, that's so true.
It
Yeah.
literally is
So true.
Madison Square Garden.
Literally, it's
Literally.
Madison.
Yeah.
It's the Bombay Madison Square, and Bombay is the New York of India.
Of India. Taylor Swift had an Indian wedding.
And literally, on like a low budget
Yeah.
Yeah,
scenes.
yeah,
Yeah.
Avril Lavigne surprised guests by performing Skater Boy. I didn't
Oh,
know
what?
this. I didn't know this.
No way.
I think
is that
I would have
true?
cried. I
I
knew
would
all
have-
the
yeah.
lyrics. I knew all the lyrics.
Which
Same.
reports of other performances? Paul McCartney, I knew. Tate
Yeah.
McRae. That's a bit random.
She performed.
That's so.
Oh, I
random.
heard they performed at a karaoke night. Like I think that was like
that
after
would
the
be the
wedding.
best karaoke night
Yeah,
I've ever heard of.
and I think Sabrina also.
Yeah, that's
performed.
iconic.
Sir Paul McCartney.
No, he
Sir
performed.
Paul.
Performed. He did. I want to hold your hand, which was like a big thing.
Yeah.
Because apparently he's,
He's
not
never done
it.
that after.
Why?
Oh.
There's some like tea about that. Also.
I don't know
It's like-
Beatles tea.
I think like they don't own the rights or
I
something.
think it's like
Maybe.
Or I thought it was like emotional.
Or maybe they
I
just
wanna hold
decided
your
to
hand.
not
Yeah.
do some songs.
I don't
Sure.
know. Whatever.
I want to hold your hand. Is it
Maybe I'm a
emotional?
romantic.
I mean, it's nice.
I'm a romantic.
No, it's a nice song. I don't know if it's like I want to hold your.
Maybe like
It's like
the only line in the song.
again. Taylor chose not to have bridesmaids. Instead, her brother Austin served as man of honor, and
Yeah.
Jason Kelsey was best man. Obviously.
That's-
Hot. I thought cute.
That's pretty
Yeah.
standard. Love it.
Their vows lasted 40 minutes. Guests described ceremony as personal and emotional. I could see that.
Yeah, I could
40
see it
minutes
also.
is crazy.
But I also feel like any wedding, if you ask a guest, and if you ask a guest, they're going to say that was so emotional and
Yeah.
lovely, even if they hated it and they were bored.
Of
True,
course.
true.
So,
That's so fair.
But
yeah.
no one would say that about Taylor.
I would love to watch her, but I don't know if
Can
I would want to
I
see
have a hot
Travis's
take?
vows.
Can I
What-
tell you guys
yes.
what it is? And my gut is telling me the reason they've been super secretive about everything is because she's actually shot a music video.
what?
Oh.
And I think she's gonna put out a music video of her wedding, which
I heard it's a Disney Plus like docu-series of
I
them
doubt.
like picking the food
she
and
would
like
never sell the
doing
rights
the
to
cake
someone else. She's
tasting.
too smart.
But
I feel
she
like
does
she's gonna
all
do
her
like
publishing
love
through
story
there.
with like trap. do a
Oh, I
music
love
video.
that.
I
You know
really
what,
think
sis?
it's that,
I think
and my
that's
gut is
really
saying
brilliant.
that.
And I
Means-
also feel like Taylor's too much of like, and not in a bad way. I love Taylor, please, no one.
Yeah.
No.
But I feel like she's such a
Businesswoman.
Like she's such a businesswoman.
Yeah.
And she
And
really,
honestly, if you get that idea from me, Taylor,
Yeah.
it's a sick idea.
I can totally
I
see
see
It's a
that.
good idea.
Taylor, where were I?
And I can see her making bank on that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I swear I think she's gonna put out a music video.
No, I'm so
with
into
all
her
her
putting.
friends and
Yeah.
Travis.
Oh, you mean like they're acting in it, or she's just using wedding footage in it?
I think she's gonna use wedding footage, and they've probably curated some stuff.
Okay.
and it'll
as
come
her,
out
like,
as
a-
her
yeah.
song.
Oh, I loved that.
Yeah.
But I also
You're
think
welcome, T.
I would like watch that.
I
a
would be
couple of
so
times.
in though for a docu-series, but I do feel like
You'll
that's
never
a bit
be.
like.
She'll never do that.
But I would be in. I would watch it
Justin
fully.
and Haley did that, and I loved that.
Oh yeah,
Oh
even
really? I haven't
and I
watched
love
it.
the
You
doc
haven't watched
also.
this YouTube series? It's the best thing
It
ever.
is, it
Oh,
is.
maybe I have watched
The wedding,
it.
we watched it together.
Yeah. I
in
have
COVID.
watched it. Yeah, we watched it together after you had watched it 3 times each.
Yeah.
Yeah. Honestly, I would be so into watching,
Yeah.
and I think she should put it out,
Yeah.
and she will.
Okay, last 2 points. Blake and Ryan were not there.
This I know.
T.
That's
Do you
how I
like
feel.
Blake Lively?
I don't know her.
Okay.
But I think she's seeming like she's shot herself in the foot.
Yeah.
And she seems crazy.
She
Yeah.
seems like, I don't know. See, there was
I don't want to hate the
Yeah,
woman.
like I don't know
Yeah,
her.
But at the same time, the vibe that she's giving, honestly, I thought like her fashion sense in that movie was like shocking. It appalled me.
Yeah, it was
like,
appalling
they
is the
could
word.
do
It
so
was
much.
appalling.
They could do so much.
Yeah.
I just felt like her hair wasn't also brushed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
But maybe that was the look.
And then
No.
even like all her content afterwards, she seemed really passive aggressive.
Yeah.
But like maybe she was going through it. Like I don't want to hate her for it.
Yeah.
But I'm
Yeah.
not a big fan of hers.
Even
to
I'm
be
not a
honest,
big
I hated Serena during
Same.
Gossip Girl.
She was so mean. to
She was
everyone
such a,
and
like,
Leighton.
victim.
Yeah.
It was everything was about her. She was such a like horrible person.
Yeah.
I went to you from saying bitch. She was such a horrible person to Blair.
Yeah.
Like honestly,
I love
not a
Leighton.
wasn't
Not
a
a
fan
good
from her
friend.
then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you feel like when you watch a character, you hate them in person?
No. I love Ben Badgley and I hate his character.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
I don't like him
Why?
Oh,
What has he
because
ever
of his
done to you?
characters.
Interesting.
I think Ben
I'm
Badgley
very,
is awesome.
Actually, I don't know.
I'm very
Do I
persuaded.
know any other mean people?
No, like people in like Regina George. How much
Oh,
do we
love her,
love?
but I didn't hate her.
Yeah, I
didn't
hate her.
I
Yeah,
actually
we actually
hated
loved her.
I hated
person.
Sadie Harron.
Katie.
Katie.
She
Hated
was
her.
damn annoying.
Yeah, she was annoying.
And do we like
Regina was the
Lindsay?
coolest.
I don't really care for her. Although
don't
I,
know
must
her
say,
more.
in The Parent Trap, your favorite movie ever, I did think she was a twin. Like, I thought there were
Yeah.
two people.
I thought they
when
were
we
two
were
people.
younger, funny story is that I used to be Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen, and I gave my sister the Parent Trap twins, even though it was just one.
Because my sister, whenever we did like Powerpuff Girls, she chose first.
Yeah,
Who
but
did you
Bratz,
pick?
Dot,
I
she-
was
I
always.
was obviously Blossom.
I was
oh, yeah,
Bubbles.
you are giving
But
Bubbles.
I'm a
Crybaby.
I would
crybaby.
love to be Bubbles.
Yeah.
I would
Crybaby.
say both of y'all are
Moody.
Bubbles,
Yeah.
actually.
Bubbles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Buttercup.
But you're wearing like
worst
Buttercup.
one.
You could be Buttercup.
You could be Buttercup today.
Isn't like she like
If we had to
Bubbles
choose-
was blue,
Yeah, but this
Yeah.
is green.
but
It's
it's
green.
like green and blue.
No, it's
But I
green.
would say now as an adult, I'm probably Buttercup.
I think
To
that
be
you're
fair.
Blossom, I'm still Bubbles, and you're Buttercup.
So you all bully me.
No
That's
one
fine.
bullies Buttercup. Buttercup
Means like
was
you're
the
not
number
bullying
one.
me because like
She's-
Buttercup
we
was like
picked
the
for her.
Yeah,
worst
We've
one.
picked for
Oh,
her.
yeah.
She was like the bitchy one, but like I don't mind being.
Yeah, I think it's
What?
I'm so in. Green is like a really good color for me.
love that.
Yeah.
Okay, last. Not everyone was impressed. One anonymous guest said the event felt like an award show, calling it a circus meet and greet. And I also
I can
forgot
see that.
to tell y'all
I can
about
see that.
luxury raffles,
Yeah.
prizes ranging from a Chevrolet and Cartier.
And I would participate.
I would
and I
hope
would-
to win that.
A Chevrolet
Same.
car?
No,
Yeah.
the Cartier that all the guests got
Yeah.
as
Oh.
gifts.
I don't know, something about like handing out like gifts and doing a raffle, something about making people that you respect sign up for like free money.
I
in a
love
way.
Housey.
And then people fighting with
Housey
each
is
other.
so fun.
It's
It's, like
so
a
fun.
game since we love
I
lottery.
don't know, but
Yeah.
something
I mean-
about that, I feel like it just creates a different like environment.
I think what's shady is like it was all like rich people.
Yeah.
So now you're saying like Tom Cruise is at the wedding and he wins
But
a
is-
car.
But
so
is
then
he
you're
not
just like,
allowed to
yeah.
like play a game?
No, he
everyone's allowed to
is.
play a game.
So, or did you want it to be like a stuffed toy?
No,
No.
ew.
So then
She gave everyone handkerchiefs with like,
TNT. That's
The-
random.
and then
Why
it-
would
and then
anyone
it
keep
said-
that?
is it gonna be for? Oh, it's gonna be forever.
So
Dot,
it's gonna
dot, dot.
be forever.
Oh, so
Okay.
it's gonna be forever from her song.
But then
Yeah.
the next line of that song is, "Oh, it's gonna go down in flames."
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
but
gonna go
so-
she
oh.
picked the good line.
Yeah, I mean, and it is gonna either be
Oh.
forever or go
I
down
love
in
it.
flames.
Oh god, that sounds like she's like
It's not that.
It's just like
Can you
so
imagine?
it's gonna be forever. Dot dot dot.
dot 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 means like oh it's gonna go down in flames.
Yeah, but,
But
any
it's
wedding is
funny.
either gonna go down in
yeah, but
flames
it's a
or
weird
be
thing to
forever.
like sing
No,
at your wedding.
Dude, it's your
She didn't
song
sing
and it's
it.
Taylor Swift.
You know,
I
like,
love
one
her.
thing-
But
I
it's,
hate-
it's Travis's favorite song, which is
Aw.
like so
That's so
random. It's the
cute.
most fucking basic song of all time.
It's such a good song.
Yeah,
We love that song.
yeah, but it's like basic. It's like a starter Taylor fan will know it.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
Blank
love
space.
it.
Okay, what is your
Sophia
most
loves
specific?
I
it.
love
She
it.
doesn't know niche Taylor.
Oh god,
Okay,
yeah.
what
I
are
You
you
know,
I
this is me trying.
What I am most
Yeah,
Do
specific?
you know this is me trying?
No.
Trying to be Buttercup?
Chal. Let's move on. I'm not interested.
Okay, wait. Which is the most niche Taylor Swift song that you all know?
I know all.
No, like what's niche in your head? is
Oh,
what I'm saying.
I don't remember it by name, but I know there's a couple of songs. I love Delicate.
It's a
so
good song.
niche.
It's not, yeah, but it's a good song.
Is that
It's
not niche?
It's very famous.
But I'll tell you a fun fact about Delicate. Any man you ask about their favorite Taylor Swift song, they will say it's delicate.
What?
So you're a man.
What's yours?
My favorite Taylor Swift song is All Too Well 10 Minutes.
Oh, that's damn basic.
Yeah, but I just wanted to say that's my favorite.
I just
It's
wanted to
not.
say that
That's my favorite. It's not like the most
Okay,
niche.
Yeah, but then you don't win the prize.
Should I tell you the most niche Taylor Swift song?
No, that you like.
Oh, I love all. Like Prophecy is my life,
Damn
and that's a
basic.
song you'll want to listen to and cry to.
Oh.
Is it not niche?
I don't-
Prophecy.
it's
They
niche
don't
for
know
me, bro.
Prophecy.
I
Never
don't
heard
know
it in
what
my
Prophecy is.
So anyway, Taylor's wedding, Indian wedding,
Indian wedding.
and God bless.
And there's going to be a music video. You heard it here first.
You heard it here first, and you heard that I'm not invited to Sophia's wedding.
Oh my
You
god,
heard it
I
here
really
first. I heard it
hate
here
that
first.
line of conversation. I really hate that, and you are.
And
You
like it's
are.
okay. Yeah, like to the Bombay events where she's inviting all the commoners.
That's not true. How can you say that?
I'll go cry about it later.
How can you say
I'm
that?
honored to be on your
You
podcast.
can
'cause
cry
that's
about
your
it to
third guest
Prophecy.
ever.
No, what I will say-
Cry about it to Prophecy.
What I will say is you can bring a plus one.
To the Bombay wedding.
Allowed.
I'll find someone by then.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for spending time with us.
Thank
you,
you.
Ari,
Thank
for
you
coming
so
on.
much.
And
You're
there's
the
a lot
best.
more tea we have. Next episode with Ariana, we will plan. Thank you and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.